It worked great. About SuntekCam Trail Camera Solar Panel, Solar Battery Charger Kit, 12V/1 amp, 6V/2 amp with built-in 3000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, IP66 waterproof hunting accessory. We will introduce the features and brief details, what's features including. To make a decision before buy order. Long-lasting uninterrupted power supply. Solar panel converts solar energy into electric current, 360 degrees adjustable angle base fully absorbs solar energy and can be fully charged in a day or so. Built-in 3000 mAh high-capacity lithium battery, even in rainy weather, you can use the USB cable to charge inside. 6 to 12 volt hunting camera. SuntekCam Trail Camera Solar Panel supports two DC output options, 6V/2 amp, 12V/1 amp, 9V camera can use 12V interface, compatible with 95% of trail cameras on the market. DC 5V 2 amp power supply, DC plug size is 3.5 x 1.3 mm. IP66 waterproof protection. The SuntekCam solar panel is IP66 rated to protect against rain, moisture, dust, and corrosion, as well as avoiding electric shock, making it ideal for outdoor shooting and hunting adventures. Protect the environment and your wallet. Using hundreds of batteries is bad for the environment. When solar panels are the cheapest and most efficient power option for your game camera, why not use it? The monocrystalline solar cells ensure that the motion detection sensor and IR LEDs are always running at peak performance. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details, to see all the detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel useful for you, you can press subscribe, press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.